Student, today we will do question number 19 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this. See 1 minus root x divided by 1 plus root x. It will multiply this by 1 minus root x divided by 1 minus root x. This will be 1 minus root x whole square. 1 minus root x whole square divided by 1 minus x, a plus b into a minus b formula. This is, so this will be root will above root will be removed, this divided by 1 minus x. Now divide this 1 by 1 minus x minus root x by 1 minus x. This. Now we'll integrate this. 1 minus root x divided by 1 plus root x dx is equal to, we will integrate this 1 by 1 minus x dx minus root x divided by 1 minus x root x dx. This will suppose we will this I1 and this is I2. So first we will integrate I1. I1 is equal to 1 by 1 minus x dx. So here we will let 1 minus x is equal to t square. If we differentiate both sides, then it will be minus dx is equal to 2t into dt. So dx will be is equal to minus 2t into dt. Now we'll put here. So this will be I1 is equal to then 1 by 1 minus x. We have supposed t square and dx is equal to minus 2t into dt is equal to t square root will be t 1 by t into minus 2 t into dt. T and t will cut, so this will be minus 2 dt. 2 dt. So this will be minus 2 t. Now if we put value of t, then this will be minus 2 t. We have suppose t square is that, so t will be 1 minus x. This is I1. Now we'll integrate I2. I2 is equal to root x by 1 minus x dx. Integration. So here we'll suppose let x is equal to cos square theta. If we integrate this dx is equal to 2 cos theta. Cos theta integration will be minus sin theta d theta. So this will be dx is equal to then, now we'll put value root x. Root x means root under cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta under root, and dx is equal to minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. This integration. So this will be cos square theta under root, then cos theta, and 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Sin square theta, this will be sin theta. Into minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Integration d theta this is. So sin theta and sin theta will be cut. So here will be minus 2 cos square theta into d theta is equal to there is formula. One formula is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So from this formula we will 2 cos square theta is, we can write this cos 2 theta plus 1. So here will be minus cos 2 theta plus 1 d theta. Now this will be minus integration cos 2 theta d theta plus integration 1 into d theta equal to minus cos, here will be plus here also, cos 2 theta d theta minus cos 2 theta integration will be sin 2 theta and 2 integration will be 2 plus theta. Listen. Now put value minus 2 sin 2 theta sin 2 theta means we can write sin 2 theta means cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta. Here this will be divided by 2. C plus theta. Now sin 2 theta we can write 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 2 plus theta. 2 and 2 will cut, so this will be minus sin theta into cos theta plus theta. Now we will put value of theta here. If you put value of theta, then minus sin theta. Sin theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. This is cos theta plus theta. It will put value of cos square theta. So this is minus 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to x. So 1 minus cos square theta means x, 1 minus x into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to root x plus theta. theta will be what? Root x cos square theta we have supposed. So root under x is equal to cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse root x. So this will be a cos inverse root x. If we multiply this minus, so minus this will multiply. If this will multiply, then this will be x minus x square plus, sorry, plus not minus, minus cos inverse root x. This is plus c. This is I2. Now we will add I1 and I2. And then I2 will add. So integration I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 is minus 2, 1 minus x, and I2 is I1 and minus I2. This is minus here. I1 minus I2. So minus if we'll do, then this will be plus x minus x square plus cos inverse root x plus c. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.